Move on to part C of the section B, and the part C saying that explain how females are socialized into femininity, and we have 6 marks for these questions. So first try to understand the format of the question. So what you have to do, number one, you have to provide a well-developed points. Okay, for example, you can divide it into, let's say, 2 parts to explain this one. You can give me 2 ways that explain that how females are socialized into femininity. So you must give me well developed point. Develop points. This will give you 3 marks, and 3 marks you will get by applying and using the sociological terms. Sociological terms, remember this one. Don't take it light. This is very important to get full marks. To make sure to use the maximum sociology term that you have read. Even the things you will write in the points, or the things you would give in the form of the heading, it must be a proper sociology terms. Now, what C part saying that explain how females are socialized into femininity. So first one that we have read, just recall your content. We talks about the canalization, we talks about the manipulation, we talks about the hidden curriculum, and also we talks about the different roles in the media. So where we will start from the canalization. Canalization. You can write in the paragraph. It's totally up to you. I'm just writing to show that this is the heading that I'm going to follow. I'm going to explain. Okay. So females are socialized into femininity. Females are socialized into femininity through canalization. Through canalization, where parents give girls, where parents give girls toys like dolls that reinforce caregiving role. Caregiving roles. The number second point that you can write is manipulation. Manipulation. So it involves encouraging traditional feminine. It involves encouraging traditional feminine traits. Traditional feminine trait. Traits such as being graceful, through activities like ballet. So one more thing that you can write about hidden curriculum. It's totally up to you. You can add, if you are writing in the paragraph, you again can write, so you can explain further by adding hidden curriculum. So this is how you have to answer for 6 marks questions.